Time now for the main course. Roasted pheasant, braised cabbage, bread sauce with devils on horseback.
Pheasant.
The secret behind cooking this bird is actually lining the breast with some streaky bacon, because it really is a very lean bird with hardly any fat.
Thigh.
Not too tight. A, it keeps the bacon on, and B, it actually keeps the bird in a really good shape.
Hot pan, olive oil. Seasoned. Thyme.
Pheasant, nice hot pan, streaky bacon, thyme, straight into the oven.
Bread sauce. Thyme. Salt. Pepper. Blitz. Hot pan, butter. Onion.
On the heat.
Cloves. Star anise. Bay leaf.
The big daddy.
Black pepper.
Bull in the china shop. This is the one that actually brings it all together.
Sweat. Milk.
Let it infuse. Bring it to the boil slowly.
Back to pheasant. Baste.
That keeps the pheasant really nice and moist.
Finish the sauce. Sieve.
That milk is amazing.
Breadcrumbs in. Butter.
Now we have a really nice, smooth, smart, sexy bread sauce. OK, pheasant.
Rest 15 minutes.
And turn it upside down. And all the juices from the top of the carcass run into the bottom of the breast, and so by the time it's cooled down, it's full of flavour. And the whole leg just falls away. Delicious.
Pheasant with bread sauce. Done.